Welcome to the next video tutorial of the C programming beginner. In this video we will show about the variables. Let's get started. Variables. A variable is an identifier or name which is used to refer a value or data, and this value changes during the execution of program. A variable is an identifier or name. A variable name can be chosen by the programmer in meaningful way so to reflect its function or nature in the program. For example, if I write a program for calculating average of sum of given numbers and I am name it the final variable name average to the something abc name, it doesn't make sense to meaning a program which kind of program I have written. For that, if I using the variable name as an average, so anyone can understand for that program this program will be written for the calculating the given numbers. Okay, next let's see some examples like average, height, tot underscore amount, which is total underscore amount or underscore amounts. Let's see some rules for declaring a variables. Rules for variables: every variable name should start with underscore or alphabet, which means you can only declare variable starts with underscore or alphabets, no matter it is a capital A to Z or small a to Z. See above example: underscore amount, which starts for underscore, and average, which starts for capital A, which is a upper letter average, and height, which starts from small h, which is lower letter heights. Let's see another rules. Spaces are not allowed in variable declaration. What it mean by the spaces are not allowed in variable declaration? For example, if you write total space amount, which is not declaring variable, it will give you an compiler error. Instead of it, you can write tot underscore amount, which is valid. Expect underscore, no other special symbols are allowed in between variable name. As I said, tot underscore amount, which is valid for variable declaration, but you will be not allowed to another any special symbol between this variable name. For example, if I write tot dollar amt, which is not valid variable declaration, it will give you an compiler error. A variable is a return with a combination of number, letter and special character, that is underscore. As I said, variable name should be numbers, letter and special character, which is underscore. So you can declare variable with this. You can't use any reserve keyword as an variable name at variable declaration time. Now C has its own reserve keyword. You cannot use those keyword as an variable name. We will see those keywords in next session. Syntax for variable declaration: how you will be declare variable, data type and variable name. If you don't see my data type video tutorial, you can go to my description box and check out that video for better understanding what is data type, how we can use it. Now let's see the example of this. Int, over here int is a data type and variable name is a. Syntax for variable initialization: see over here upper syntax, which is variable declaration, and given below syntax, which is variable initialization. var name equal to value, variable name equal to value. Let's say example: int a, which is variable declaration, equal to 10, which is variable initialization. See, both are the things are different. Variable declaration things is different and variable initialization things is a different thing. Syntax for variable initialization with variable declaration: you can do upper both step in one line or single line. Let's see: data type, variable name equal to value, and at the end semicolon. Let's say example: int a equal to 10. Over here int a data type, a is a variable name, equal to is an operator, 10 is a value. Thank you.